Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to upload my personal document in Salesforce. So let's proceed by understanding what does we mean by the personal documents in Salesforce. In Salesforce, my personal document is a feature that allows user to store and manage their own documents within the Salesforce Classic. These documents are private and can only be accessed by the user who uploaded them. This functionality is part of the Documents tab, which provides a central repository for various files and documents. So let's proceed and learn to upload to my personal documents in Salesforce Classic. So here I logged in my Salesforce account. So firstly we move to our classic version because we upload my personal document in Salesforce Classic only. So we switch to our Salesforce Classic experience. Click on the profile picture and here is an option present. Switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option and here we can see we come to our Salesforce Classic experience. Now we click on the plus icon that is present on the name bar where all the objects are present. So we click on this plus icon and our all tabs page is open and under this we can search for the documents tab. So here we go down and search for the document tab. Where is our document tab present? Here is the document tab. Click on this. Now our document page is open and here we want to upload my personal document. So we click on the new button. Now enter the document name and the unique name is automatically populated on the basis of document name. So here we enter the document name as a CV and here we can see our document unique name is pre-populated on the basis of our document name. To make the file and document visible in various reports, check the checkbox external available images. If we want the document internally available and don't want to share it, so we can check the indicate document is internal. If you want to check this to make the document internally available and don't want to share it, so you can click on this indicate document is internal checkbox, otherwise leave it as it is. Now here we can see our folder is set to the my personal document. Now we can also add the description and the keywords related to the document or file. Otherwise leave these fields as it is. Now select the file, enter the path of the file or click browse to find the file. For uploading the file, choose the file option or we can also create a reference link to the file, enter a file location that other can access. So here I go with the option 1 and here we choose the file. So we simply click on the choose file option and here I choose from the file explorer and click on this file and hit the open button and our file is uploaded here and now we click on the save button. So hit the save button and here the document is successfully uploaded and here is a view option present under the keywords field. By click on the view option, you can also view your document and when we click on it, it download to our system. By default, it saves the name of the basis of the document name that you have entered now, not on the name that you use for uploading the file or on which name your file is uploaded. So with this, we have learned how to upload my personal document in Salesforce Classic. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.